Are you ready to discover the most intriguing smartphone of the year? Meet the purple Redmi Note 14 5G, a device that promises to redefine your expectations. This phone isn't just about looks, it comes with a powerful 45W charger, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a sleek case, ensuring you're always ready to go. Available in black, purple, and coral green, the Redmi Note 14 5G offers storage options from 6/128ths of a gigabyte to a whopping 12/512ths of a gigabyte, catering to all your needs. The purple model stands out with its unique pattern, splitting the color into multiple shades, making it the most captivating choice in the lineup. Built around a 6.67-inch display, the Redmi Note 14 5G is not just about aesthetics, it packs a 5110 mAh battery, an upgrade from its predecessor. With an IP64 rating, this phone offers enhanced dust protection, ensuring durability in various environments. Capture stunning photos with the 108 megapixels main shooter featuring OIS, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro shooter, making every shot a masterpiece. Running on HyperOS with Android 14, the Redmi Note 14 5G ensures a smooth and efficient user experience. While the Poco X7 Pro runs the newer HyperOS version 2 on Android 15, the Redmi Note 14 5G holds its ground with impressive features. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the Redmi Note 14 5G, a device that's set to make waves in the smartphone world.